For some reasons, you might want to duplicate your artboard with the objects inside altogether. This is how you can do it. If you are in a single canvas now, you can click the Artboard tool, go to the Context toolbar, and click Insert Artboard once. This is basically to convert the single canvas into artboard. Now to copy this artboard, I grab the Move tool, select the artboard I want to duplicate by clicking on the artboard name. Then I hold Alt key on my keyboard and drag the artboard to duplicate. I can position it anywhere I like. And you can see this also duplicates everything inside the artboard. Alternatively, after converting the single canvas into artboard, and with the Move tool selected, I select the artboard to duplicate by clicking on the artboard name. Then I press Ctrl key plus C on my keyboard to copy, and Ctrl key plus V to paste. The new artboard is duplicated on top of the one I copied. I can then just drag it to the right position. So that's how to duplicate an artboard in Affinity. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe for more future tips. Thanks for watching and have a good day.